So do you also want to notify all your clients and customers about the Independence Day sale? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages informing your clients and customers about the Independence Day sale. This is very important that you send personalized WhatsApp messages to everyone so that you can gain the maximum results from your sale. So let's see how we can also send this. So to do this, you just have to grab on your laptops, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow where you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free. And you must be wondering, when we're going to send bulk WhatsApp messages, there's chance of getting our number blocked and banned. Not with Pabbly Chatflow, because we are powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. We are official Meta Tech provider, so the number getting banned chances get very less when you use Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so first I'll just let you know, try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. So this discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to apply this code and you're going to get the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow using this amazing coupon code, which is RITYT. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now let me just take you towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and after you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, from the left hand of the side you have to go on this broadcast section to send these bulk WhatsApp messages. But before we go on this broadcast section, I will just let you know that you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, because in order to send WhatsApp messages, this is very crucial. And if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, and if you haven't added till now, you're going to find a video on your screen. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number step by step. Okay, once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section and then click on this add broadcast button. Now once you do this, you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign and then name your broadcast. I am going to name this broadcast as Independence Day sale, so let me just enter the same. For the contact list, I am just going to select all the contact to whom I want to send these WhatsApp messages, but we are not going to select only a single contact list. We can select multiple contact lists too, like this right over here. And further, you must be wondering how we can create the contact list in order to select it, right? So in order to create the contact list, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, click on this add contact button. First you can add a single contact, and then if you want to add bulk contacts, you can add it directly from a CSV file. Once you upload all your contacts, you have to go on this contact list section, click on this create new contact list, enter the list name, select the status, and then add the condition on which you want to create this contact list. Once your contact list is created, you can choose it right over here. So easy, right? If you want to learn more about this contact section in detail, or if you wish to learn how to create this contact list in detail, you can just comment contacts and I'll just share you the video. Over here, I'm just going to move on further. After selecting the contact list for the broadcast, over here we have to select the contact list which I don't want this broadcast to be sent. So over here, I'm just going to select the contact list to schedule, and then over here I'm just going to choose some specific contacts whom I do not want to send this broadcast. Now if you want to exclude the contacts in the last 24-hour conversation window, you can do this too. You just have to switch on this toggle button, and over here I'm just going to switch it off because I want to notify all the contacts about the new Independence Day sale which is live now. Now it is asking to select the message type. So over here is a pre-approved template message and a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, you first have to create a template. For that, from the left hand of the side, come on this template section, and from here you can create a new template to notify your team about the Independence Day sale. And once the template is created, Meta is going to approve that template, and then only you can move on further and then use that template. You just have to go on the select WhatsApp template and choose your template. But if you don't want to go for the template, you just have to go on this regular message, choose the message type. So like I'm just going to use image, so I'm just going to choose it as image right over here. For the caption, just enter the message which you want to send with the image. So I'm just going to enter the message right over here. As you can see, this is the message, so I've simply entered it. Now in this message I want to bold some text. So in order to bold the text, what you have to do is You just have to add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. Like this, you can simply format the message and then you are good to go. So as you can see that I've successfully bolded some text right over here. You can view the preview in the right hand of the side too. That is saying header file URL, or we have to enter the media, which is the image. Okay, for that just go on this upload from media library, and you first have to upload the image in your media library. For that just go on this add new image button and choose a file button. Now what you have to do is you have to choose a file from your computer and simply upload that file in your media library. Once it is uploaded successfully, you have to choose it and click on this insert button, and it will be inserted right over here. Okay, now let me just move on further. If you want to learn how you can generate this image, then you can simply use any AI software like Gemini, ChatGPT to generate this image. Just enter the details of your sale and it is going to generate the image for you. I also used the same over here. This was a quick tip. So let me just move on further. It is saying contact name and the mobile number. So over here, before sending this WhatsApp broadcast to multiple clients and customers, I want to test it. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to enter my own contact's name and the mobile number, you can say phone number, and then click on this send test message. Once we're going to click on this send test message, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and you can see that we have received this new message right over here. It looks perfectly fine, and we can send it to all the clients and customers. Or let's say I just want to bold this 40% off too. So let me just go back towards the broadcast. Let me just bold this 40% off and then move on further. Once again, I'm just going to send the test message to check the new message. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and you can see the 40% off is also bold. Now it looks perfect. So let me just send it to all the clients and customers. For that, I have two options. I can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if I wish to send instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and it will be sent instantly. But if I want to schedule it for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later and simply select the date and time. So let me just choose a date and time right over here as, let's say, 1st of August 1 p.m. right over here, and then I can move on further. Over here it is saying automatically retry for failed contacts. So let's say that you have a total of 90 contacts in your list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. Let's say to 80 the WhatsApp message was delivered and for 10 it was failed. You want to retry on those 10 contacts, then you can use this feature. You can simply switch it on right from here. You can select the number of retries and the wait between the retries. I do not want to do this, so I'm just going to switch it off and click on this add button. Once we click on this add button, it is saying add your scheduled broadcast time. Only contacts who messaged you within the previous 24 hours will receive your broadcast message. Contacts outside this 24-hour window will not receive this broadcast message. This is very important in order to save your number from getting blocked. So just click on this add broadcast button and you're good to go. As you can see that we have successfully scheduled this broadcast for 1st of August 2026 1 p.m. And now further, when this broadcast is sent, what you can do is you can go on this send section and then towards this view stats, and over here you can view how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And for the failed, you can definitely resend it directly. As you can see, we have successfully learned how we can notify all our clients and customers about the Independence Day sale and send bulk WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow and notifying all our customers about the Independence Day sale. So go and try this right now because this is the new trend. Your competitors are already using it and you have to get ahead from them. Okay, so go and try this right now, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that this amazing discount coupon code can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.